Are you curious about the warning indicators and cluster display on the 2024 Genesis GV80? How can these symbols enhance your driving experience? This guide will break it all down for you. Interior view. The dashboard features a fully digital instrument cluster, a large infotainment display, and touch-sensitive climate controls. It also includes ambient lighting, a head-up display, and intuitive buttons for drive modes and safety systems. The cluster features a high-resolution digital display that shows key driving information such as speed, navigation, and safety alerts, offering clear visuals and customizable layouts. The high-resolution LCD cluster displays speed, navigation, and safety information with sharp, customizable visuals. The climate control system provides precise, dual-zone temperature settings for personalized comfort. The gear system features a stylish rotary dial that offers smooth, intuitive shifting. The steering wheel is equipped with integrated controls for audio, cruise control, and driver assist features. Instrument cluster.
The units of measure may differ depending on the intended destination of the vehicle.
Cluster indicators, seatbelt warning, airbag warning, anti-lock brake system, motor-driven power steering, charging system warning, engine oil pressure warning, engine coolant temperature, low fuel level warning, malfunction indicator lamp, master warning, electronic parking brake, low tire pressure warning, forward safety warning, lane safety indicator, LED headlight warning, icy road warning, electronic stability control, off, immobilizer indicator light, turn signal indicator, high beam indicator, low beam indicator, light on indicator, high beam assist indicator, auto hold indicator, downhill brake control, all-wheel drive lock, auto stop indicator, safety precaution, know your symbols, immediate attention, don't ignore flashing symbols, stop driving for red warning lights, check manual for unknown symbols, regular maintenance, cluster awareness, don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols, use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.